What do you do with an old timber chopping board, or you've thrifted one like me and it's seen better days? You restore it using a few simple materials. First up, after washing the board with warm soapy water and letting it dry naturally, smooth the timber with a sander. Then clean it with water to raise the grain. Let it dry naturally and replenish the oils in the timber by covering it liberally with Feast Watson's kitchen timber oil. Apply a second coat after 24 hours, and then a week later apply a generous coat of Feast Watson's kitchen timber wax, and after 15 minutes wipe it down. And that's it. You can start using your beautifully restored timber chopping board straight away. Tap the link in my bio for the tutorial.